How to log into QuickBooks account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log in into a QuickBooks account. So without any delay, let's just get started with the process. So for that, you can open up a browser in any of the devices and go and search for QuickBooks, and you'll be reaching to the section where you will be finding the official website, which is quickbooks.intuit.go. Go ahead and tap on it. And on the home page, you'll be finding this section here. So what you can do is go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right and look for the sign in option here. Go ahead and tap on it. And you'll be finding different options available. You can go ahead and click on one of them. For example, I want to do online. And then here on this page, what you need to do is enter up the email address or the user ID that you registered with and click on next or sign in option right here. Or you can also use a phone number if you used one. After that, for verification process, you may have to enter your 6-digit code. Just go ahead and enter that. And if you have forgotten password, you can go ahead and click on forgot password to reset it. And once you've entered your details, you are all set and you'll be logged in and you can access your QuickBooks account. So if this video helped, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you need more tips. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.